Start IV Cannula Manufacturing Unit, pen style. The need for high-quality medical supplies is constantly expanding in the field of healthcare and medical developments. The intravenous IV cannula is one of the most important parts of this. We're exploring the realm of IV cannula production today, which presents a bright opportunity for business people hoping to establish a name for themselves in the healthcare sector. Welcome to our in-depth manual on launching your own IV cannula manufacturing unit, provided by knowledgeable project consultants in the field. Ambitious business people and manufacturers. We are going to walk you through the process of starting an IV cannula manufacturing facility today. This is an endeavor that has the potential to significantly improve healthcare and present a strong commercial opportunity. Let's begin by defining an IV cannula and discussing its vital function in the medical industry. IV cannula. A medical device called an IV, intravenous, cannula is used to enter a patient's circulation for a number of reasons, including giving those fluids, drugs, or blood products. It is composed of a thin, hollow tube made of flexible material that is usually injected with a needle into the vein of the patient. After the needle is inserted, it is removed, leaving the cannula firmly in the vein. This makes it simple for medical personnel to take blood samples or administer required therapies without constantly puncturing the skin. Intravenous therapy requires IV cannulas in order to be administered effectively and safely in medical settings. Uses. An IV cannula is a critical component of medical therapies that allows for the direct administration of drugs, fluids, and blood products into the veins. It is a product with a worldwide market because hospitals, clinics, and emergency medical services all require it. Manufacturing process. An IV, intravenous, cannula is manufactured using a number of critical steps. The first step usually involves choosing premium medical-grade materials, such Teflon for the catheter and stainless steel for the needle. After that, the needle is polished, formed, and fastened to the hub. After being extruded, the catheter is trimmed to the required length and fastened to the hub's opposite end. Strict quality control procedures are followed throughout the process to guarantee that the finished product satisfies stringent medical requirements and is secure for use in giving patients intravenous fluids and medications. These procedures include visual inspection, testing for functionality, and sterility testing. Market outlook. Regarding the production and distribution of IV cannulas worldwide, India is a major player. The nation has become a prominent player in the production and export of IV cannulas, supplying them to healthcare facilities worldwide, thanks to its expanding healthcare industry. Due to its talented workforce, cost-effective manufacture, and strict quality standards, India is a major player in supplying the global demand for this essential medical device, guaranteeing a stable supply chain, and enhancing access to healthcare globally. Financials. IV cannulas. Financial aspects include things like production costs, shipping charges, and pricing policies. IV cannula production involves costs for labor, raw materials, and quality control that vary based on the design and materials utilized. Marketing, packing, and shipping expenses are all included in the cost of distribution. Pricing strategies ensure a balance between affordability for healthcare institutions and profitability for producers by taking into account market demand, competition, and these costs. All things considered, the financial side of IV cannulas is quite important to the healthcare sector as well as the companies that make them. Conclusion. Finally, we think it's best to wrap up with a thorough summary. This ensures you're ready for every facet of this endeavor, including potential obstacles, regulatory compliance, and environmental issues. Starting an industrial undertaking, such as producing 𝐂𝐴 cannulas, is a learning and development process. From ideation to execution, our consulting is here to help you every step of the way. We appreciate your participation in this in-depth investigation. See our website, which is mentioned in the description below, for additional details and individualized consultation services. To succeed in entrepreneurship, keep in mind that knowledge and perseverance are prerequisites. Stay informed and motivated.